Just this week, we've already launched over 3 different decor websites for most of my students, and in this particular video I'm going to be showing you how they run this particular website. This particular home decor website is already monetized with advertisement and also with affiliate links. All they do is to actually share home decor ideas on their website, which is going to simply be indexed on Google, is going to index on Pinterest and other platforms. Okay, and because they are doing this, they can actually monetize it by actually displaying advertisement. This advertisement is not going to cost their visitors any dime. Okay, and also if you go to Pinterest and you search for home, see we have home improvement, home decor, and all of these things right here are under home decor niche. In this particular video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start your home decor website and also monetize it. And if you come to this very section right here, this is the latest website we launched for one of my students, and this particular website is already monetized already. All you need to do is simply pay close attention to this very video, because I'm going to be showing you how you can actually monetize this with Hilltopads, Adsterra, and lots more. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it right away. The first you need to do is simply get your website fully developed, and I'm going to be showing you how this particular lady run this blog with just her mobile phone. Okay, if my team have already developed the website, optimized it, and also added all the monetization and delivered to you, you can actually start running your website with your mobile phone. You don't need laptop for this. Okay, all you need to do is simply log into your website. So once on this very section, go to the plugin section from here and click on add new plugins. All right, we're going to be adding a plugin that's going to simply help us scale up this particular website. Okay, and if you don't have a standard website blog, I will advise you to get a standard website blog fully developed for you, optimized and monetized for you. Okay, so you don't have to use Blogger for this, you don't have to use all those free stuff for this. This is real business. You have to actually mean this business to actually scale up with it. Okay, so this is a plugin you're going to simply add on your website. Okay, so if your website is monetized with Adsterra, Monetization or Hilltopads, you're going to simply add this particular plugin. What this particular plugin does is this plugin helps to filter your traffic and also helps to protect your website from invalid click. When you launch a website, a human being will be visiting your website, both will also be visiting your website. Okay, and the reason why your ad network account is not actually improving and also doing well is because there are much of bot traffic coming onto your website. Okay, and you have to actually filter this particular bot traffic to get the real ones to convert on your website. So if you don't have this plugin on your website, go ahead and install it on your website right away. Okay, just go ahead and click on this install button, click on the activate button, click on this general settings. We have the 337, right? So click on this save button. Okay, so if my team have already built a website, developed your website, you don't need to do all of these things again. The next you need to do, I can simply go to your browser section right here. This is what I wrote here: give me 20 high traffic, high CPM DIY and also home improvement blog category that attract US, UK, Canada audience. Okay, this is the detailed prompt I wrote here. These are the countries I want to target. Okay, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and send it out. So it has already given us the categories. You have to pick few of them and add them to your website. Okay, for instance, if you want to add home renovation and remodeling, now just copy it from this very section right here and go to your blog, click on category first. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a new category, so you have to paste the category right here. When you paste that, add the sludge. The category has been added already. This is basically how you can actually start adding your categories one after the other. Okay, so all you need to do is simply come back to this very section. For instance, if you're writing on home decoration, home renovation and modeling, simply go ahead and create yourself a Pinterest account. All right, so if you don't know how to create a Pinterest business account, just go ahead and watch this particular video right here showing your screen. Right, let's say I want to pick kitchen models ideas, all right, or bedroom renovation cost, or maybe basement finishing ideas. Anyone you want to pick, just first of all pick this particular one right here. Okay, so add the blog content right here. Simply go ahead and add this particular prompt. Okay, I've already shared a well-detailed prompt to most of my students. I've already gotten their website fully developed by my team. So click on this section and click on cut. Okay, so once you cut that, the next you need to do is simply go ahead and add this particular post on this very section that says topic. Okay, so remember, whatever you write here, make sure you go ahead and edit it. Okay, and add your own ideas, add your own screenshot, and also add your own point of view. Okay, to make it 100% compliance with any ad network you're working with, to make it original. We're only using AI as an assistance. Okay, go ahead and add it. Okay, so we are done with this. Go ahead and click on this copy button. When you click on that, go back to your website. Okay, so I'm going to be going to my student website. We've developed a Monetize. So remember, we copied that as a code, so I'm going to be sending it as a code. This is very much important for your SEO and all of that. Okay, so click on this and paste it right here. All right, then go back to visuals again. So this is what we have here. I've then go ahead and add a title here. So remember, the keyword we're targeting is kitchen remodel ideas. That's the keyword you're targeting. All right, then once you have that in place, select the category home renovation and remodeling. Just select it only, don't select two categories for one blog post. Okay, add it as tag. Okay, so once you add that, scroll down a little bit, then add your focus keyword right here. Okay, so this is our focus keyword. You can achieve 75 over 100. Okay, so it's not really a problem. You can see why we have 85 right here. Okay, which is cool. All right, so once you have that in place, the next you need to do is simply add some cool images. Remember, home decor blog requires cool images. Okay, then you can add image right here. You have to click on this section that says instant image. Okay, and you have to add kitchen luxury. This, remember, this is the credit you're giving them. This is the credit. Photo by Lotus Design and Print. Okay, you've already given them the credit. So by so doing, you're going to be adding more images with this particular strategy. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on this section that says featured image and then search for home decor. Let's go ahead and add something like this. So once you have that in place, the next you need to do is simply back this up with a video. People can actually visit and stay longer on your website when you have a video on your website. Okay, and that's going to simply help with your Adsterra, your Hilltopads, your Monetize, and a lot more. Okay, like you go over to your YouTube and you're going to simply come to this section right here and search for, let's say we want to search for kitchen remodeling DIY. You can see right here before and after. You can go for this one right here as well. So anyone you want to choose, just choose that and also give credit to the person that owns the video. Right, YouTube supports embed. Click on embed section and copy this iframe code. Just copy it the way it is, then go back to your website. You can add it as a code. You can see right here it has been added on this very section. You can actually give credit to this particular guy. Our SEO is very much good, so you can actually click on the publish button. All right, all you need to do is simply go ahead and add your ad code. So if my team have already built a website, they're going to simply add your website ad code and make sure that this particular website is monetized and running advertisement. Okay, another medium you actually use to monetize your website is via affiliate marketing. All right, so on Amazon, you're going to simply search for home decor on Amazon and copy each of those links, then go over to your Amazon Associate. Okay, so remember, Amazon Associate is an affiliate marketing platform for Amazon where you can actually share product. Then if the buyer buy, then you're going to simply get your commission back in return. Okay, just the way we did for Fiverr affiliate marketing in our last video. Okay, and once you have this monetization on your website, the next you need to do right now is actually start getting traffic to this your website. Okay, and all you need to do is simply start creating pin, and you click on this section that says create pin. All right, and on this particular section you have to actually add more of videos, or you add images like home decor images on this particular pin and link it back to your website, to your post. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually get this done for yourself. And remember, one particular post can have 5 different pins. Okay, which is going to simply give you recurring traffic, recurring visitors to your website. Okay, and the best part is that on Pinterest, people can follow you for more updates, and the more updates you share, the more traffic you're going to be getting on your website. Okay, that's basically how you can actually monetize a home decor website, and that is what these guys are doing to actually generate traffic to their website. Okay, go ahead and try this out right now immediately after watching this video, and you see how it goes. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.